The tide seems to now be in favor of Zweli Mkhize to win the presidential race. As the two-horse race for the ANC presidency rages, an insider in Zweli Mkhize's caucus has revealed to independent media that he is way ahead of current President Cyril Ramaphosa after conducting an initial head count. Speaking to independent media, one of the Mkhize's caucus leaders said, "For obvious reasons, I cannot give details of the exact head count, as that needs to be closely guarded. But what I can tell you is that he is far ahead of Ramaphosa. A lot appears to have changed since the announcement of top 6 positions last month, where President Ramaphosa scored 2,037 branch nominations against Mkhize's 916 nominations. While most people thought Ramaphosa will easily walk away with the prize, a week towards the start of the conference on Friday showed that Mkhize will give Ramaphosa a run for his money. After consolidating support from his home of KZN, Mkhize crisscrossed the country, garnering votes from the delegates in the provinces that had endorsed Ramaphosa. Mkhize's political advisor's strategy of nominating Paul Mashatile, Makonyane and Zandile, all from Gauteng, appeared to have worked well, since latest figures show that about 50% delegates will vote for him. This was despite the provincial leadership having thrown its weight behind Ramaphosa. The province is the president's home base and is third largest in terms of branches. The biggest surprise for Mkhize was when he won Free State, which was reportedly behind the current president. After his visit 3 weeks to the conference, Mkhize came back with the guarantee of 162 votes of 251 delegates. Few days leading up to the conference, Mkhize scored another biggest victory when he took almost half of the Eastern Cape delegates from the president. Who do you think will win the presidential race? Is it President Cyril Ramaphosa, Mr PhalaPhala, or Zweli Mkhize, the digital vibes? Share your views on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.